Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. In this video, we will analyze the levels that we have mentioned in our monthly levels video that was published on 1st May of 2022. And also, we'll update our view based on the data generated. So, in our monthly level video dated 1st May 2022, we have anticipated a pattern like this wherein we would be expecting a lower low. So this is a low, and this is a further low. So this is the, you can just go back to our monthly level video which is available on our channel, and this is the pattern we have mentioned, and we have almost come to this level. So whether the market has reached the bottom or is there further scope for Nifty to go down, that we are going to discuss in this video. If we discuss the levels mentioned in our weekly and monthly video, if you recollect, these were the levels based on the time frames. This level was given for a shorter time frame, day or week, and this level was given on a longer time frame, that is for the weekly as well as monthly. So we had already discussed a level of 15,669 on the downside, and we're almost there. So since we made that video, 2 weeks have passed, and there is an updation of data. Let us also take that data into account and discuss further for the levels for next week and the monthly expiry. So as we have been discussing throughout this month, considering this as the high, this is a lower high, and this is another lower high. On the lower side, this is a lower low, and lower low. Considering this pattern, we may expect another low somewhere in this region if this trend is to continue. This is one way of looking at Nifty daily chart. And there is another school of thought where we would be compelled to see a double bottom, where this is one bottom and this is both the candles. If you look at it, lowest made is 17,000, 16,735, sorry, 15,735 and 15,740. So you can say that a double bottom is formed here. From there you may expect a reversal. This is another. This is a first scenario and this is a second scenario. So which is the most possible one? It can be anyone. It can be first scenario or second scenario. So the levels which we mentioned in our previous weekly and monthly video, that is 15,669. So we are almost there, and going by the conviction and going by the experience I have in the markets, I strongly believe that there are still 1 or 2 more trending down days which are pending, post which you may expect a recovery or a sharp reversal. So I will go by scenario number 1, wherein bottom is yet to be formed. Don't get surprised if there is any reversal or a big gap up on a Monday, but we have to wait for the confirmation of trend reversal. For that you need to see for a day or two and then come to a conclusion that trend has actually reversed. So before that, I would prefer to presume that bottom is yet to be formed and there is scope for further down. So with this scenario, what are the levels that we would be looking for the coming week as well as monthly expiry? So the update from the updated data to 20-month average, moving average, it falls around 15,790. We are almost there. The low mid is 735 and 740. So it's very much possible that here it may take support on bounce, or considering our scenario number 1, it may further go down. So if it goes down, what are the levels that we should be looking? So if you go by the previous swing low, it is falling around 15,672. And if you go further backward in time and see a larger picture, you may see a trend line. You may draw a trend line around this level, 15,258. And what is this? You can say this is the 15,258, and this is 672 around, and then 719. So if we go further down, what is the number that we would be looking for? It is 100 weekly moving average. What is that number? 15,035. So out of which I presume that market may go down till 15,258. Not an exact number, but around these levels, and it may bounce back. So for the weekly expiry as well the May monthly expiry, I would be looking out for these numbers on the downside. So what are the levels that we should be looking in case of reversal on the upside? I have no answer. Why? If there is a reversal, the moves are going to be very wild, and putting a number to it doesn't make any sense. So we have been discussing everyday intraday movements, the levels and other things in our regular videos on a day-to-day basis videos. You will find those levels every day. So here I am giving only the downside levels which are possible, and on an intraday basis what is the possible upside. You will find those numbers in our regular videos. So keep this data or numbers in mind, and plan your trades accordingly. Define your risk. Don't lose much of your capital. Put strict stop losses, and don't forget that this is a trending down market till a bottom is formed or reversal takes place. So take care, trade well, happy weekend, bye bye.